VK News, राष्ट्र के नाम।
The jaguar positions, the symbol of spirit of the snow warrior, conveying the message that they are the sentinels of the Himalayas. Constable Dharmendra, Ashok Kumar and Vivek Khokar. All eyes now focusing on Rashtrapati Bhavan, from where we will have the flypast by 75 aircraft of the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy participating in that grand show.
So we saw perfect balance, total concentration and absolute discipline here on the ground. It's a windy day, so the wind definitely plays a role in getting the balance right. And we now move from these beautiful moves to eyes in the sky from the direction of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The first formation going past the saluting base, Rahat, comprising 5 ALH aircraft in arrowhead formation, led by Wing Commander H.S. Chima, Wing Commander G.D.K. Reddy, Wing Commander S. Jamkas, and Wing Commander J. Rathore, Wing Commander Nenwa.
और अब कुछ ही देर में सलामी मंच के ऊपर होगी मेघना फॉर्मेशन। ग्रुप कैप्टन मनीष गुहा, जो चिनूक को उड़ा रहे हैं, नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं। अन्य पायलट मी-17 को उड़ा रहे हैं विंग कमांडर एन मेहरोत्रा, विंग कमांडर गोपी कृष्णन, स्क्वाड्रन लीडर मोहित और स्क्वाड्रन लीडर पी.एन. रेड्डी।
Special provision has been made to give you aerial shots too. So normally we take a look at the flypast from ground upwards, and here you're getting a view what the pilots actually see when they look down.
अद्भुत दृश्य, सही मायने।
This formation comprising 1 Dakota aircraft in the lead with 2 Dornier aircraft in echelon flying in big formation will fly past at a height of 300 meters over the water channel north of Rajpath. The Dakota is being flown by Wing Commander S.S. Gehlot, the Dorniers by Wing Commander Shubham Mishra and Wing Commander Abhishek. We're all in for a very spectacular aerial display. With cameras specially positioned, views never been seen before. Taking you up to the heights, they go, touching the sky with glory. The visuals giving you a feel of chill in the air, which we're all experiencing here down on the ground.
और अब त्राण फॉर्मेशन। इसमें आगे एक C-17 और पीछे 2 C-130 400 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर राजपथ के उत्तर में वाटर चैनल के ऊपर से निकल रहे हैं। नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन रवि नंद और दूसरे पायलट्स हैं विंग कमांडर राहुल रावत, विंग कमांडर हरिओम दुबे।
The clear blue skies today, perfect weather for a perfect fly past. And for these men in blue of the Indian Air Force, the blue sky seems to be just an extension of them as they take wing and vanish into the blue. We now look forward to the next formation. This is the Netra formation. Group Captain Pranjal Singh with Squadron Leader Rahul Yadav. The Su-30's Group Captain Arpit Khanna with Squadron Leader Aditya Sinha, Wing Commander Varun Bhoj with Flight Lieutenant Abhishek Bhandari. And the MiG-29's Group Captain K.D. Singh, Wing Commander Amol Sudhir Kelkar.
ये विमान विभिन्न शहरों से उड़ान भरते हैं, अनुशासन, समन्वय और सटीकता से अपनी अपनी उड़ान को अंजाम देते हैं।
So slowly as the flypast progresses, speeds will increase, heights will increase, and our pulse rate too.
और अब वरुण फॉर्मेशन।
ये है ड्रीम मीडिया नेटवर्क और आप देख रहे हैं देश का पहला 24/7 डिजिटल न्यूज चैनल वीके न्यूज, राष्ट्र के नाम।